In today's video, I'll show you how to make a Microsoft Teams meeting. So for that, just open up your Microsoft Teams app, or you can just go to the browser and open up Teams. And after you're in Microsoft Teams, what you have to do is just simply go to this camera icon, which is the meet icon. Just go inside this. Meet stands for meeting. Now to create a meeting, what you have to do is just simply go ahead and click on create a meeting link. That's going to instantly create a meeting. But if you want to schedule a meeting, click on schedule a meeting. Then you can type in all the details over here about the meeting. Let's say meeting number 101. You can add the email address of people that you want to invite to the meeting. You can set a time, and you can also set an end time if the meeting is time limited, or you can set it as 1 day. You can also set repeat for the meeting, and there's advanced option as well if you want to fix those. You can add location, and you can add a description. Then just click on save. As you can see, the meeting has been created. You can copy the link and send it to somebody if you want now. And it was that easy. As you can see, scheduled meeting. This is the one you just made. And basically, that is how to make meetings in Microsoft Teams. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.